Hi and welcome to another Tabless Glass Emporium video. Today we're looking at this. This is for our Meet the Team, and this is Božena, who's very shy and doesn't really want to be seen. But we wanted to make her a piece of glass, and she wanted this, which is at the castle just up the hill from here, and to remind her of the place she comes and works at every day and her favourite flowers. And today we're going to show you how we created this beautiful glass landscape. So here it is all glued in the frame. I think this looks fabulous. These are Bożena's favourite MURRINE we put on the front here, and they look great. But make sure you remember you can get all of these at tabithasglassemporium.com. We got our apples with the new apples with the leaves, which I love. Love our hot air balloons and the truly inspired paragliders, we have paragliders. This is one of the best areas in Croatia for paragliding. So if you like paragliding, come and do some paragliding here and come visit us too. This castle is right up the hill here. I sometimes walk up to it with the dog, and it's a really iconic feature of the landscape around here. So it's lovely to do a piece of glass looking at this, and particularly for Božena, who's a valued member of our team. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Think about the landscapes in your area and how you could create them in glass. And until next time, happy fusing. Here is this. Thank you so much for all your hard work, and I hope you enjoy it.